In this video, we'll look at the best free AI writing tools available in 2025. Using these tools, you can write blog posts, create content, generate ideas, write emails, and so much more. The best part, they are all completely free, so let's dive in. Free AI Writing Tool 1, Ritter. Ritter is an all-in-one AI writing tool that offers a ton of features for free. It's great for creating various types of content, including blog posts, social posts, and even scripts. What I like about Ritter is its user-friendly interface. It's super easy to use. You just enter your prompt and the AI does the rest. And if you're not feeling too creative, you can check out the prompt examples for inspiration. They have a ton of templates to help you get started. You can choose from different categories like blog posts, business, or even social media. Once you've got your template, simply hit generate and watch as the AI writes your post in front of your eyes. Now, if you're a blogger, you'll love their blog post feature. It helps you create well-structured posts with an outline, introduction, and even images. Just enter your keywords and the AI will do the rest. Looking to spice up your social media game? Their post templates got you covered. You can create engaging posts in seconds, and if you need a helping hand with your emails, Ritter has that covered too. Their email templates make it easy to craft the perfect message. So whether you're looking to boost your social media presence or need a helping hand with your emails, Ritter is the perfect tool for you. And the best part, it's completely free. Now that you know how to create content using AI, the next step is to find profitable content ideas. And for that, we have free AI writing tool 2, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful tool developed by OpenAI that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like text. It can be used for various purposes, such as generating creative content, answering questions, summarizing text, and much more. So how can content creators and bloggers benefit from it? Well, one way is by using it to generate content ideas. For example, you can ask it to give you 10 blog post ideas for a travel website. It will then generate a list of unique and interesting ideas that you can use to create new content. Another way is by using it to help with writer's block. If you're stuck on a particular topic, you can ask ChatGPT to generate some sample sentences or paragraphs to get your creative juices flowing. It can also help you optimize your content by suggesting better titles, headings, and even keywords to target. And the best thing about ChatGPT is that it's free to use. However, there is a limitation that it doesn't offer a free trial. Instead, you can access its free version by signing up for an account. Now that you have your content plan in order, the next step is to start writing. But writing high-quality content can be time-consuming. That's where free AI writing tool 3, Phrase, comes in. Phrase is an AI-powered writing tool that helps you write better content faster. It offers a range of features that can help content creators and bloggers save time and improve the quality of their writing. One of its best features is its ability to generate content outlines. This can be a great help for those who struggle with structuring their articles. With Phrase, you can generate an outline in seconds and start writing with ease. Another useful feature is its grammar and spelling suggestions. These suggestions can help you avoid costly mistakes that can harm your brand's credibility. Plus, it's really easy to use. Simply highlight the text you want to check and click the suggested spelling or grammar option. Finally, Phrase also offers a thesaurus feature, which allows you to find alternative words or phrases to use in your writing. This can be particularly helpful for those who want to improve the style or tone of their writing. Overall, Phrase is a great tool for content creators and bloggers looking to save time and improve the quality of their writing. So there you have it, 3 free AI writing tools to help you create high-quality content without spending a dime. Whether you're a content creator, blogger, or business owner, these tools can help you save time, boost creativity, and improve your writing. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next one.